Yo, car fans! Today, I bring you a 1996 Chevrolet Astro van LS all-wheel drive. And this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the van. We'll start it up, get an exhaust clip, show some features in the interior as well as exterior. My review today has brought me to Crandall Ford, located in Park City, Utah. They're kind enough to let me come down and film the Astro van for you guys today. And so, we'll go ahead and fire it up. It's a white exterior with a darker cloth interior. It does have pretty comfortable seating. I'll go ahead and turn the light on since it's kind of getting dark outside. Very smooth steering. Let's go ahead and turn on the headlights, as well as the hazards. We'll go ahead and check out the exterior of the Astro van. Steel wheels. This is the all-wheel drive Astro van. These are known for their reliability. I've always actually liked these vans. It's kind of like the Mystery Machine van. We'll go ahead and check out the interior. Buzzer will stay on as long as the door's open and the engine's on, or the key's in. Easy to use vents. AM FM stereo. Bass. Do have a tape player. You can eject it there. Volume selector.
Jake.
Sorry. Easy to use climate control. Cold, warm. AC, different zones. Off. Rear windshield wiper. So, everything. I'll see if you have any. You do have interior illumination. Excellent, lock the doors. Oops. Yeah, my leg accidentally hit the door unlock. Rear hatch. Lights. Everything you might need. And we'll go ahead and check out the rear. Just say that rear hatch. See, to open the rear, sorry I did it wrong. So what you do is you put the glass up first, and you can open the back doors if you want. So it's kind of like a three-way, and then it won't stay open, but you've got for that door. So a lot of room in the back. So, and we'll go ahead and shut down the Astro van. Turn off the lights. And go ahead and check out the rest of it. 2 rows of back seating. A lot of room. headphones, everything. You can control the radio from back there. A lot of room in the back too. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this full tour of the Astro van. Be sure to stay tuned next time, there's more where that came from. Take care everybody.